Aria dating app, so Black Singles dating app, so you can just open it up and then here you just have it like that. You kind of looks like Tinder. You see your filters, so these are filters available: minimum age, max age, people up to in this radius, men, women, everyone. Then you see boosts. If you want, you can buy boosts as in Tinder. You can get premium. You can see then there are likes, then there are matches, and then there is your profile. You can edit your profile. These are the questions which you answer when you create your account. Filters, travel mode, privacy and security, your account, pause account, delete an account, share with a friend, and that's kind of the idea. So it's the app for Black singles, so Black community. I'm just showing you how it looks like. Pretty nice app, going through the top charts right now in US App Store. So specifically again for the Black community, like Tinder sometimes is too broad because you have people of all nationalities, all skin colors, all cities, every too global. If you're looking for specific type of person, these kind of niche apps can be better for you. So check this out. Quite interesting new app, dating app for Black community.